Hi friends, first of all thank you very much friends for being in my video, and today we are discussing about agricultural current affairs for the month of April 2020, and important agriculture current affairs are discussed in this video. Let's start the topic. First position in micro irrigation coverage under PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana for financial year 2019 and 20 is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu got first position in micro irrigations of PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Remember the name Tamil Nadu. Recently in northeastern states, to relief from COVID-19 to farmers, Union government gives 100% subsidy on land levelers, zero tillage mulchers and happy seeders, and the cost maximum is up to 1.25 lakhs in which states? Northeastern states. In previously in northeastern states the central government subsidy is 90% and 10% subsidy is from state government, and now 100% subsidy up to 1.25 lakh is given from the central government itself only. World's biggest food ration subsidy scheme launches by India government named as Food Security Scheme PM Garib Kalyan Yojana. We have listened in the news that PM Garib Kalyan Yojana, right? This is the world's biggest food ration subsidy scheme. The Union government has decided to connect 200 new mandis across the country in 7 states with ENAM, National Agriculture Marketing. By that, total becomes 775. Previously 585, and now 200 new mandis were added, so now total becomes 785, and the target of the government for this year is 1000 ENAM centers, right? 1000 is the target of the government, and now it is reached up to 785. Kisan Rath. You have to remember this word Kisan Rath. Here Kisan means farmer, Rath means it's a vehicle. It is a mobile app. Kisan Rath is nothing but mobile app which facilitates transportation of food grains and perishable goods. You know that perishable goods means the goods which are spoiled within a low time period, that is less than 1 week. For example, like milk, fruits, like that. In lockdown and in this app, farmers, dealers and drivers having vehicles are only registered in this app, and this app was launched by our Union Agriculture Minister Shri Narendra Singh Tomar. Kisan Rath is a mobile app for transportation facilitation. The G20 Agriculture Ministers Virtual Meeting held on 21st April 2020 with an initiative of Saudi Arabia. You have to understand here, G20 means 20 countries. Agricultural ministers are first time participated in virtual meeting because of this COVID-19. It's an virtual meeting has done, and this meeting idea was initiated by Saudi Arabia. Kisan Sabha. You have to remember there are difference between Kisan Rath and Kisan Sabha. Kisan Sabha is also an app developed by CSIR, Central Road Research Institute, CRRI. You have to remember this. Who developed this Kisan Sabha app means Central Road Research Institute. For what purpose? To provide most economical and logistic support to farmers. This app was launched by DG of ICR, Trilochana Mahapatra, and Kisan Rath is launched by Union Minister of Agriculture Shri Narendra Singh Tomar, and Kisan Sabha app was launched by Trilochana Mahapatra, who is DG of ICR. You have to remember this also. Union Agricultural Minister Shri Narendra Singh Tomar launched All India Agricultural Transport Call Center numbers 1800 and 14488 to facilitate interstate movement of perishables during lockdowns. Again, our Union Minister has launched a transport call center number, agriculture transport call center number. You have to call that number and register your transportation of agricultural goods. that means perishables. Haryana state government is the first state which gives 2000 to the farmers for not cultivating paddy due to water stress. This is for the first time in the world that Haryana state government is giving to the farmers 2000 rupees for not cultivating paddies. Listen the word not cultivating. They do not have to cultivate the paddy because of scarcity of water in Haryana. The government is not willing to cultivate paddy because in paddy for getting 1 kg of grain yield we have to use it utilizes 5000 liters of water, which is very high to the state government to provide that much of water. So Haryana government is doing that, giving 2000 rupees to the farmers for not cultivating paddy. It is very initiative thing and you have to remember this, and it is a very important question, friends.